How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export image in Krita. So basically, after making all of your adjustments to your project, as you can see right here, this is only an example, but let's say that you have already finished with your project. The way that you can export this is extremely simple. First things first, click on the file option. Inside this page, you have the export option, which will gives you the basic export settings. Or if you want to use the advanced one, you could just select the bottom part. So we're going to select export, and then you want to select the location on which where you want to save your file. In my case, I'm going to be saving it inside my desktop right here. And let's name this example guide, and then, of course, let's click on save. Or if you want to select a specific file type, you can just click on this bottom part. And I'm going to save this as a PNG image. From here, let's click on save. You have additional options that you can edit, but in my case, I'm fine with this one. So let's click on the OK button. From there, let's navigate through our desktop. And then, of course, let's look for the example guide, which is going to be this one. Double click on it. And then let's open it as an image. And as you can see, here we have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.